Bug up some mango real quick. Real quick. Real quick. Gucci on my shirt, Gucci on my hose, nigga. Alright, man, leave now. Go back home. But first, good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. It's gonna be lit. How was the last vlog? This vlog is gonna be lit. I promise you guys. I promise you guys that this vlog is going to be lit. Just stay tuned, especially in the end. I know I got the last in this vlog. Just wait and see what we're going. Something happen or something is going to happen that you guys want to see. I will want to see what I did. Alright, let's go.
Hip down, ziggity biggity do down, biggity ziggity do down, Zina, 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 hip down.
Do that over there, sir.
For this life I cannot change.
Well, chip, right for two carrots.
Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. For this life I cannot change. Hit the hills, deep off in the main.
To the Adidas did them. To the Adidas did them.
Adidas did that.
Viper.
I'm not sure what other people say.
I don't know what I'm going with. Big artist Adrian.
Yeah.
Yo, my rocket tune from yesterday, you know, straight to Kingston. You know.
You go to that?
Straight to Kingston rocket tune.
Oh man, you couldn't come see that shit, but how do I
But he my big artist tune on me rock from yesterday. Hey money, your wife? Your wife? Hey money, oh. Hey money, oh. Alright, some I couldn't know how to go.
See.
Adrian,
Yeah.
Hey, so up and coming. Up and coming, man. Me about him still I end that, you know, so when the money start making it, you know if you find me, you know if you find me. And your wife or your Alright guys, so we pull up back on Travis spot and I guess that's how we're gonna end today. But tomorrow we're gonna lit again and I'm gonna clean off him big body machine. You hear this? Yo, as me say, this next, now wait for him to start this up, but I'm gonna deal with theme thing first. Just because it's free, I make you do this first. I'm gonna go wait. Big body. So tell them what tomorrow might be like. Hopefully. I look a flick on the falls, see, don't give a falls. But fingers crossed, I was still not sure it. That time I even when I go like a random sunset time lapse, like set this up. Fix this real good.
Tell me say that now show, cause right now me and black hole on the view and then I see no sunset. No. I can't rap nothing. Give me something funny. I forgot to cut out that, you know. No, but you not sure. No face, no case, yeah. No chase.
Still alright. Random stuff. You want to give them a random update?
Me?
Yeah.
You.
We are just understand we got a few stuff going, you know what I mean? Rise on this morning. Take a picture and that chicken come in. Smile at the rising sun.
So guys, we reach out. Still don't know what's going on. We reach out Dunsiver. But the thing is that we're too broke for going no further. We can't go no further. So we call it a day, right? Just until everybody come back. 2 hours. Maximum 1 hour.
2 hours.
1 hour. I tell you. So I wish I could have like shown you what going on the inside, but when I don't see that in another video, if I don't want to see what going on the inside of Dunsiver, I'm going to link one other video down in the description. But for now, we're doing out here upon the outside, just hold it out. We might go get something grab on later, and that's going to be it for the day. So I'll call it a day after that. But for the rest of the week, it's supposed to lit. Alright, so judging by the title alone, you guys already know that this video is mostly about a challenge. So we're going to do a challenge today. And it's gonna be lit, so again, stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. Trust me, you don't. Let's go. You go be a wee upper sick apple. Wow. Wow. It should be lit, should be lit, should be lit. Hot wings. Hot wings. Alright, so guys, today we are doing the hot wings challenge, spicy hot wings challenge, whatever. Me and Travis are gonna do it. Just purchase them here from somewhere. They're not sponsor me, so not call a name. But the challenge is that we're gonna see who eat off 6. We buy 6 piece by 6 piece. So we're gonna see who eat off like for them 6 piece the fastest, and we're gonna time it and etc. But just know them extremely hot, really hot. So let's just see who win. You want better money for me or something? No money, no bet. Alright, let's have a do it for vlog sake. Do it for vlog. Put in the dog. Alright, this side for the can see me. Alright, ready? Wait. So you have 6 piece. Me have 6 piece. And I'm gonna see what can go on. When I say go, so I will just start. Note that we don't have no milk or no base or anything like that for like cool this down after we done eat it. So a part of the challenge is to hold out. That's the ready. Let's begin. Watch your dead. Alright, ready, set, go. Watch your dead. So far so good for me. It's hot. That's hot. Look, this is hot, yo. Look at that. It's hot. I don't know, a little bit. The one yesterday is hotter than this. Like a shock is hot. I'm coming at mine is bigger than you ready. You hot? You can't feel. They're hot. Like when I eat something, I drink something. Don't do the last one. That's done. You done. Oh, up on that? Look on them bone here.
Look.
Where is that?
Where? Kaya.
Owen. My bone ain't clean. My bone ain't clean.
Yo, you eat bone, you not eat meat.
But to my surprise, the one them yesterday did hot dog. I remember getting, I remind them of supplies it.
What is?
I don't know. But to my surprise, that not so hot, yo.
Give me them my hot.
That never so hot. But who win? Me or you?
You see what we get yesterday?
Yeah.
They never hot comparing to this.
I lie, yeah. Yo, them in a hot, none at all. I'm taste this.
Mine hot. Give me them they hot, brother.
But who win? Who you guys think? It come like it's a tie.
I know I'm tight.
A tie that
I
man.
know I'm tight.
But a tie.
I know I'm tight.
Who win? Me
Of
win.
course me.
I mean you win.
Yeah,
Leave in the comment section who you think win. Theme bone them versus my bone them. Plus, you guys see.
We get some free wings.
You get from free. Alright, we're gonna clean up now and call it a day. But anyway, that I get into this vlog. Yo, just stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow's vlog is bound to be lit. I'm gonna do something lit, but I'm not telling the guys as yet. But just know it. The next vlog I got lit. I have more things like this planned. And I see what can go on. See my Ismash, I don't know. I'm out.